Hello and welcome in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create highly realistic digital clone of anyone using Heygen. This tool is an incredible way to generate lifelike avatars and unlock endless creative possibilities for content creators, businesses, and anyone looking to produce realistic digital representation. So whether you want to create training videos, personalize content, or even bring someone's likeness into your project, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. So guys, watch this video till the end if you want to learn more about it. Now before we move on, just a quick info guys. Simplilearn has got advanced executive program in applied generative AI with a 2-day campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park. You'll get exposure to agentic AI MCP framework, master classes by IITM and IIT faculties or alumni. There is also startup support from IITM Pravartak Technologies Foundation, and also you're going to get certificate which is in collaboration with Microsoft Azure. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. But before we move on, let us first understand what exactly is digital clone. A digital clone is essentially a digital version of a person that mimics their appearance or voice and even behaviors. These clones can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from creating virtual assistant, avatars, for training videos or personalized messages, to even crafting content for marketing campaigns. The key is that these clones are powered by artificial intelligence, which allows them to mimic the unique trait and characteristics of a real person. Digital clones are created by combining video footage, voice recording, advanced machine learning techniques to produce digital representation that can speak, move, and interact just like the original person. And with tools like Heygen, this process has become much more easier and accessible. So you can see I'm at the official website of Heygen. Okay, you can access this website if you go all over here, type Heygen, and you can also go with type Heygen digital clone. It will redirect you all over here. Clone yourself AI. So this is the official website. Now the next step is you have to sign up. So you can see all over here there's an option sign up for free. Just click on this. Now there will be various plans that will be there for you. Like for example, there would be the free version where you don't have to pay anything. Then you have the creator plan. Okay. Once you have signed up, it is going to show you the given plan. So first one is the free version. You can try this plan if you are beginner and want to learn about this tool. For most of the users, they can go with the creator plan. You can create up to 5 minutes video long. You can export it at, and you have also amazing features like utilizing language translation. Then you have team, where minimum 2 seats are there, and you could see it is billed $720 yearly. There are unlimited videos. You can create videos up to 30 minutes, 4K video export, faster video processing, and there is 5 minutes of avatar 4 videos per month. So these are the things. And for larger scale projects, you can also go with the enterprise level plan. It has additional features and scalability options. Now, once you have chosen your plan, you are ready to go. The next step is creating the avatar. So let us click on the free plan, and let's say I'm creating my personal project. Let's right click. You can just click content creator. Let's say we are creating a marketing video. Okay. Now, all over here, we have to create our avatar. So let us try avatar 4. Let's see what it has.
Avatar 4 allows you to turn a...
Now, you can try any sample photo all over here. So you can click on this and you can create an avatar. So like I have selected this avatar, and you could write your script all over here, or you could upload or record audio also. So let's take the help of ChatGPT to create a script. Okay. So let's ask GPT. Okay. So guys, I've taken the help of ChatGPT and I have instantly added a script all over here. Now, let's say custom motion also. So for custom motion, you can again take the help of ChatGPT. Let's ask add. Okay. Now, what I've done is I have taken the help of ChatGPT, and also I have added in the custom motion also to give much more idea like how my avatar is going to do. Now you could choose the given resolution. Let's say it's 180p, and we cannot do that since I'm on a free tier. So go with the 720p and let's click on generating the video. So guys, for the best result, you can select the motion option. This allows you to actually give much more description about the motion of your avatar. Now, make sure the avatar you are using is well lit, centered, and expressive. This will help make avatar appear more natural and lifelike. The more natural the expression, the better the final avatar will look. Now, the third step, we have to record and train. Now, it's time to actually record your subject. The footage does not need to be shot in a professional studio setting. It could be done at home, outdoors, or in any well-lit environment. The key here is to make sure subject speaks clearly and directly into the camera. But for this instance, we are actually using the avatar which is already given by Heygen. Okay, but for the other purpose, if you are creating your own avatar, and also make sure that there is pause between sentences when you are creating a video. For example, you could say something like, hello, my name is your name, and today we are going to show you how to create a digital clone. So add some brief pauses between the sentence because this is going to help Heygen process the footage more effectively and gives the avatar more human-like cadence. Now let's see how video is created. Let's look into this. Let's select the portrait version. So guys, initially we added the script for our digital clone and we selected this random image and we have given certain script. Now we have used the motion feature of Heygen and let us see how this comes out.
Hey there, I'm your digital assistant, here to show you how our amazing software is revolutionizing the way you edit photos, videos, and more, all powered by cutting-edge AI.
Wow, it sounds so amazing. Just looks like, repeat, it just looks like a real person. For somewhat, it's still recognizable that it's an AI clone, but you can create your own avatars like that. So for section of creating your own avatar, what you need to do is just go all over here, click on create new avatar. Then you could either go with hyper realistic avatar or custom photo, or you could click on generate. So let us try this feature. Let's say his name and gender is man. So let's take a prompt from ChatGPT. So we could add up all over here and let's select till personality only and paste this. Okay, delete the behavior part and let us try to see the preview, how our avatar looks like based on our text prompts. Now, it has already generated certain a photo for our avatar. Let's select this, click on save. And in this way, you could generate an avatar also by giving the description. So this is a very amazing tool, guys. There's a lot of things you could do all over here. Now you could see you can also add a voice. So let's add this voice, okay? And let us try to see this. And now there is also option to train this model, but this will take some time and also certain credits. Now, if you're someone who is a content creator or you're creating tutorial videos, then this tool, you must check it out. And you can buy the creator plan. That is the most ideal plan for most of the users. And then you could access all these features. So this is our photo. Let us see how our avatar looks like. So now here you could upload the audio also, or you could add a script, and it will take certain time. So let us ask ChatGPT for the same. Now, after this, what you need to do is just add the given script. Okay, you can add the script all over here. Let's say, let's add the name. And after this, just click on generate. And let's say, now just add the title and click on submit. It is going to take some time to generate the video. Let us see. Okay, so it's still in line for processing. It might take some time. But apart from that, there is also amazing feature for brand. You could do the branding kit also. So let us explore a bit. So you could see, you could create your own branding logos, or you could create your product images with the help of this tool. Very amazing tool. And it also has amazing integration, like it has HubSpot integration, Adobe Express plugin, Canva app, ChatGPT plugin, and there's a lot of other applications through which this tool can be integrated. And this is Labs. Labs is also a new feature. So someone who is into podcasting, you could also try this amazing feature. Now URL to video is also there. Amazing features like instant highlights, interactive avatar. So as you can see all over here, the video is still in the processing line, and you don't have to wait for this. What you can do is you can explore this platform and create your own avatar. And that's it, guys. We have successfully created our one avatar today using Heygen. This technology is still evolving, and as it improves, we can expect more lifelike and interactive avatars. Heygen has incredible potential. Whether you are creating personalized video messages, training content, or just exploring new ways to express yourself digitally, digital clones have potential to revolutionize the way we create content and communicate. Imagine the possibilities: personalized customer support bots, training videos where a presenter is always available, virtual brand ambassadors, or even educational tools that feature instructors who can be physically present. Thank you guys for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.